Are you sure your Kraken setup is safe enough? Because in the crypto world, safe enough usually isn't. After spending years using centralized exchanges, I've seen exactly how crucial it is to move beyond just a strong password. You can have the best exchange in the world, but if your personal security habits are weak, you're at risk. This is the exact Kraken setup I use to sleep soundly at night. The foundation of my security is two-factor authentication, or 2FA, and I don't stop at just signing in. First, sign-in 2FA is non-negotiable. I avoid SMS-based 2FA completely. It's too vulnerable to SIM swapping attacks. I prefer using a hardware security key, specifically a FIDO2 compliant passkey. This is phishing resistant and a step up from a standard authenticator app like Google Authenticator, which I still use as a backup. Next, I enable funding 2FA and trading 2FA. This means every time I want to withdraw crypto, deposit fiat, or execute a trade, a unique 2FA code is required. If a hacker gets past the sign-in step, these additional layers stop them from immediately moving my assets. Now for the next level protections. I set up a master key. This is a separate, highly secure password that you will use for critical account changes, like resetting your password or removing a 2FA method. The key here is to use a different 2FA method for your master key than you use for sign-in. For example, if you use a hardware key for sign-in, set up a strong authenticator app 2FA for your master key. This separates your keys and prevents a single point of failure. Finally, I activate the Global Settings Lock, or GSL. This is Kraken's ultimate security feature. Once enabled, it locks your account from making any changes to withdrawal addresses for a preset amount of time. It's a pain if you need to change something quickly, but that's the point. Even if a sophisticated attacker manages to bypass all your other security, the GSL gives you a time window to recover your account before they can send your funds anywhere. Always enable your master key before enabling the GSL. On a non-Kraken note, I use a dedicated, unique and long password for Kraken, generated by a password manager, and I only ever access the site by typing the URL directly or using a saved bookmark to avoid phishing links. That's it. It's a tight, layered security stack: strong password, hardware 2FA for sign-in, authenticator 2FA for a separate master key, 2FA for funding and trading, and the global settings lock to buy me time. Zero fluff, maximum safety. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.